Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another sit down video. In today's video we'll be talking about my huge haul that I did a lot of shopping for the Nykaa pink summer sale. This video is not sponsored, however I do look like a sponsorship video because I'm wearing a lot of pink that is happening and I really love this blazer. But let's get started. I have a lot of products.
Young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
The first product that I have is one of my holy grail products and I always make sure to buy them online, and recently their prices also hiked up. That is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is their, I think they got through a little bit of rebranding because this says lip sleeping mask extreme EX. This is in the berry flavor and this is for 600 bucks. Like before it was only for 500. Now it kind of, all of Laneige prices increased, so I really don't know what's happening there, but I think this is slowly becoming very expensive. But this is a number one and I was very scared that I'm gonna run out of this, so I went ahead and I bought the big tub as well. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask, 20 grams. Now this costed me around 1300 rupees and there was a buy two get one free on these, so I did pick up two flavors. The next one is the mango variant. So when I bought these two, I did have an option to check this out for free. This is the mint choco flavor. I love all of these. I did try their minis, and because I tried their minis, I know that I like these two as well, so I picked these up. And so I think for the next 2 years I am sorted in the lip balm department. Really pretty. And then because I bought all of this, they did give me like a tumbler free. It says a drink better tone booster. It's like a really cute summery kind of a tumbler. I will definitely use it while I'm going out. The next product that I have are definitely sunscreens, because summers you need a sunscreen. I do have a new video that is coming out all about sunscreens and very affordable sunscreens, but I want to show you guys what all I got, and that is these two sunscreens. Now these are the Dot & Key's SPF 50 sunscreens. This is a vitamin C and this is a watermelon cooling. Both of these are really good and I have already started using them as well. So I'm going to talk more about them in the sunscreens video, so keep an eye out for them. Will be up really soon, hopefully this week. Then I have lipsticks from the very famous Charlotte Tilbury. The shades are Pillow Talk, Supermodel, Walk of No Shame. Pillow Talk is much lighter for me, but definitely Walk of No Shame and Supermodel are really pretty. I love how pretty these are. Look at these colors. These are stunning. Like, look at these. They're absolutely pretty. This is Supermodel and this is Walk of No Shame. Really love it. I'm going to show you guys Pillow Talk as well. Now, Pillow Talk is much lighter for a skin tone like me, so it kind of washes me out. I did use it as well, but this is how it looks like. Not a fan, but definitely I love these. These are the minis. Definitely going to go up to the big products. During sales, I personally like to buy luxury products more than everyday, like basic affordable products, because Maybelline's foundations are definitely going to be 300-400, but when it comes to luxury foundations, they do have like a huge off, especially during sales. So I did pick up lots. And when I say lots, I picked up lots of eyeshadows, and these are all from the house of Huda. The first one that I picked up is the Huda Nude Light. This is their eyeshadow palette. I really like how pretty this is. This is nude with a little bit of pop of color. Looks absolutely pretty and stunning. I love how beautiful shimmery these eyeshadows are. I love these. The next eyeshadows I picked up is from their Browns eyeshadow quartz. This is how it looks like. This is called as a chocolate brown, and these are the colors. I love how pretty these colors are. Like, look at these colors. These are like rich chocolatey vibes. This is chocolate brown. Then I also have another shade, toffee brown. Now this is also very pretty. I love the outside packaging as well, and this is how the eyeshadows look like. I love these. I love that pop of color. They're really beautiful shimmers as well as nudes. Like, these are absolutely pretty. Like, these are stunning. And the last one that I definitely have is also from their brown collection. That is caramel brown. This is how pretty it is. Look at this packaging. And look at these colors, like, oh my god, this has an orange, this has a deep dark brown, but it's like more like a shimmery kind of a color. I love it very much. These are the eyeshadow palettes that I picked up and I really love them. And Huda Beauty palettes are like a collector's item for me as well. Then I picked up a very fun palette from Huda again. That is the Color Block palette. Now this is the orange and purple kind of a palette, and look how pretty this is. This has like 3D kind of a jelly texture. It's so nice. It's absolutely pretty like this, and then absolutely stunning. Like, look at those colors. There's a cake liner. I can use a little bit of setting spray or water and activate this and use it, but look at these colors. These are so pretty. I think this is one of the most colorful, high-end, expensive eyeshadow palettes I have, and I cannot wait to try this. I feel summers are the perfect time for this. And then last but not the least, one most important palette is the Huda Beauty's Rose Quartz palette. I love this palette so much. I think this is my third time ordering this palette, because the first 2 times I did receive like broken eyeshadows, so I sent it back through Nykaa. But this is so beautiful. Like, look at these colors. These are absolutely stunning colors. These are very muted, light, cool tone side. None of their eyeshadow palettes have like a very cool tone side, but this definitely has. It's a very muted, everyday kind of an eyeshadow palette that you can use. Absolutely pretty. I love this jelly kind of a shade. I cannot wait to dig in. These are all the products that I bought from Nykaa in their pink summer sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's go.